Evening, guys. My name is Gopinath, and I'm from VVIT College, pursuing BTech third year CSC. Today, I'm going to discuss about a small case study, which a case study about if I am receiving a conflicting feedback from the others, like my superiors or my teammates. Let's go to the case study. Managing conflicting feedback in a classroom project or some a project work. Let's go to the introduction. In any professional or academic setting, receiving feedback is very essential for our growth. However, challenges arises when the feedback is conflicting. Different sources provide contrasting suggestions or criticism. This case study explores how to effectively handle such a situations using critical thinking and decision making strategies. Situation the second phase is situation analysis. Uh, how do we analyze the situation? Let us consider or imagine I am working on a college level software development project and I may receive a feedback from three key stakeholders. One is from faculty advisors, second from industry mentor, and third from my teammate. Faculty advisors suggest a different tech stack from for a long-term period, and the industry mentor recommends based on his environment skills and environment based on his environment. And teammates prefers both a hybrid solution, which satisfies the industry mentor and a faculty advisors. And third thing is we have a task, which on these three feedbacks, these conflicting feedbacks, which one we have to select, and we have to evaluate and determine which feedback is act on while balancing the technical quality and project goals and stakeholder expectations. So we next step is review analysis. So there are few approaches we are going to do this task. Clarity on your project objectives and access feedback from their objectives. Evaluate feasibility. Seek clarification. Consider stakeholder influence and decision making. In clarity the project objectives, our primary goal is to build functional prototype for demonstration, and secondary goal is to learn and apply new concepts. Access feedback against the objectives. Faculty advises recommendations aligns with academic excellence but may increase the complexity. We have to take it on our mind. And industry mentor supports the employability and the current rates. It's obviously that. And teammates input encourages compromise but may dilute technical depth. Evaluate feasibility. So consider the time constraints, the project deadlines, and the other important activities we have to do, and the team skills. Some in our group or in the teammate, most of the there is no there is no need for all the members in the team have highly skilled or like that. So we have to take the consideration of our teammate skills and learning the curve. Factor in risking Factors in risking like the technical depth or burnout. Seek clarification. Next step is seek clarification. Engage in one-to-one discussions to understand the rationale behind each suggestion. We have to discuss. We don't need to feel or something disappointed for giving us a bad conflict or bad feedback. So in order to get clarity and why they have given that feedback, we have to interact. We have to interact to those persons who give the conflict feedback. So one-on-one interactions and one-on-one discussions may arise the conflict feedback. And next one is, based on the one-on-one discussions, we have to clarify our doubts and why they have given the conflict feedback. And its next one is we have to consider the stakeholders' influence. Which feedback holds more weight for the current stage of the project? We have to think on that perspective also. And next, go through the decision making. Choose the approach that best aligns with the core objectives and has the highest to impact to effect ratio. Next, go through the recommendations. Adopt a phased approach and start with a current stack to build a basic prototype. Document scalability features and maintain flexibility and communicate transparently. And the last phase is conclusion. It's based on these task situation analysis and the analysis, and we made based on the conflict feedback. The final conclusion I have made up is handling these conflict feedback is the best for the communication, prioritization, and decision making. By analyzing project goals, weighting, feasibility, and maintaining open dialogue, you can you can make informed decisions that balance short-term success with a long-term vision. And this is the case study. If I have been in a situation while receiving a conflicting feedbacks around my group. And this is all about the session. Let's wind up the session. Thank you.